Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is May 2nd, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Palantir closed up today 34 cents, 3.27%, closed at 10.74. Post-market we are down by 1 cent. So yes, Palantir closed up by 30 cents, and this would sound great. But if we look at the chart, then we see that this is not great at all. We made a lower high and we also made a lower low. So even though during the day we closed higher than we opened, if we compare it to last Friday, we are down. So nothing to be happy with here. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. So the first candle of the day was right here. So nice move, showing some buying pressure right here. Then we basically stayed still for the next 3-4 hours, and then as happened with Tesla and because of what's happening here also in the VIX, we had a nice move for the last 2 hours. But just a couple of candles do not make a trend, so we should not get too excited because of this yet. Let's look at the daily chart. So on the daily chart, stochastic still super low at not even 12. MACD, the two lines are below 0. RSI at 38. And DMI is bearish also. So there's no indication, and there's no real indication yet that things are going to change. So we just need to be patient and keep a close watch on this so that when it turns around, we are there to reap the benefits. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.